Welcome to our channel. The Tricycle RV Camper is a revolutionary blend of minimalism, mobility, and smart engineering. This unique camper is built on a three-wheel structure that combines the practicality of a tricycle with the functionality of a compact RV. Designed with urban explorers and adventurous solo travelers in mind, it provides a new perspective on life on the road without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Its lightweight design allows for pedal-powered travel, and in some models, there's an option for electric assistance, making it easier to handle on long journeys or challenging terrains. One of the standout features of the Tricycle RV Camper is its compact yet highly functional living space. Inside, there's typically a foldable bed that doubles as seating space, clever storage compartments for essentials, and in some versions, even a tiny kitchenette with a sink and a portable stove. Many units come equipped with solar panels that provide power for lighting, charging devices, or running a small fan. The interior design focuses on maximizing space through multifunctional furniture and foldable components, ensuring that every inch is utilized efficiently. Another impressive aspect of this camper is its sustainability. By operating on human power or small electric motors, it dramatically reduces the environmental footprint compared to traditional RVs. It promotes a slower, more intentional style of travel, perfect for those who wish to connect deeply with their surroundings and avoid the expenses and maintenance of fuel-driven vehicles. This model encourages a lifestyle that values simplicity, outdoor experiences, and eco-conscious choices. Despite its small size, the Tricycle RV Camper does not compromise on safety or build quality. Its frame is usually made from lightweight yet durable materials like aluminum or reinforced composites, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. Most models also include weatherproof windows and insulated walls, making it a reliable shelter for different climates. For added convenience, some designs feature collapsible awnings or pop-up roofs that increase headroom and ventilation. In terms of customization, users can often choose from a range of add-ons like solar power upgrades, mobile Wi-Fi routers, or enhanced weatherproofing. This allows travelers to tailor their camper according to their specific needs and preferred style of travel. Whether you're heading into the mountains or navigating city streets, the Tricycle RV Camper provides a new and exciting way to explore while carrying your home with you wherever you go. This type of micro RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a movement toward minimalistic living and freedom on the open road. As more people search for sustainable and affordable travel alternatives, the Tricycle RV Camper stands out as a symbol of innovation, independence, and adaptability. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle choice for the modern-day nomad.